Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my pellet stove final tests videos. Today I have Plas's Acutron brand pellet stove controller on my workbench. Plas sent me this one because the igniter was not functional. He stated that the combustion fan was functional, the auger motor was functional, and the convection room fan was functional, but the igniter itself, the igniter was not. Even though he was able to have the red light come on here, the igniter itself would not come on and start a fire. So I've found the problem with the solid state relay on the control board, and I've replaced that. So if I go ahead and turn on the controller here, we'll see that I can make the igniter come on, and at the same time I have a light here that simulates the igniter, so it will come on as well. I'll also be able to cycle through the auger motor speed, highlighted in yellow, and the room fan, highlighted in red. So let me go ahead and turn this on now. I'll press the start button, and there we go. We can see we're on low feed rate, so the auger motor itself is coming on. But more importantly, we're seeing that the igniter is calling for power to come on, and sure enough, the auger light is coming on. I'm going to cycle through the fan speeds, and we should see the convection fan go on and brighter and brighter and brighter to simulate the fan running at different speeds. So you can see the controller is able to control that, and that is functional, so that works well. And the same with the if I press on the start button or the feed rate button, I should see the yellow indicator light, the auger, change as well. If I go to 4, the light should stay on a little bit longer and probably come on more often. There it's brighter, longer, and there it's off again. So the computer is controlling it as well. And I still have a igniter lamp on, and my igniter light is on. So I'm not going to wait for the time duration before the igniter is off, but I'll go ahead and I'll just turn off the controller, and we'll see that it will turn off the igniter light. And there it is. I have the controller off, and the igniter's off, and so is the light. If I go ahead and turn that back on, that light should come back. And there we are. So that's a real quick test, final test of this controller. Everything seems to be functioning fine. Plas, I want to thank you very much for sending this to me. I appreciate it very much. And be sure to let me know if you have any questions or issues with it. For all of you watching, thanks for watching, and look for another video from me in the near future. Bye-bye.